Your smartphone is no longer just for scrolling. It can become your daily income source if you start using social media with a purpose. This may stop underestimating the power of social media. Millions of people are spending hours online every single day watching videos, learning new things, laughing, shopping, and supporting creators. Why not let some of that attention, why not let some of that presence pay you too? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, the lady that says you can't handle a smartphone and beg for bread. Guys, this is the video that is closing the month of April. And as we cross the month of April, I'm here to say thank you everybody that has been on Immaculate show, that has been engaging, that has learned and has also put some things in practice. We love you so much, and kudos to everybody that started channels in 2026 April. I've seen most individuals come up with channels. I've seen of them come up with podcasts. I've seen everybody is trying to work. But the question is, are you working your way to money, or you're working your way to attention? You're working your way to be known? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you should really concentrate on turning your presence online, turning your smartphone into money making. But this is a disclaimer. I'm not saying that if you start, you're going to be a millionaire. No. You have to know that there are terms and conditions, like consistency, like niching, like learning, and many others. You guys, welcome to May, where we are going to use our smartphones into passive income, into money-making machines. You guys, this may stop underestimating the power of social media. Millions of people, as I told you, are spending hours online every single day, doing what they want to do, showing off from morning up to evening. They are supporting other people like us who have channels, who have products, who have podcasts. But for you, ask yourself, are you part of them? Are you a creator or you're a consumer? You don't need expensive cameras, by the way. You don't need a perfect house. No. You don't need even something famous to start with. Don't be deceived that they need to see you having a high quality video. Your background is just lighting. Your surrounding is giving. No. Just start the way you are. Most successful creators started with a simple smartphone. Without mic, they only had consistency and courage to post every day when nobody was watching, even when there is no one commenting, even when there is no one encouraging them. That's how they started. This month of May, focus on creating content that teaches. Focus on content that entertains, motivates, or solve problems. Because I've seen, however much we're saying you come and start social media entrepreneurship, most of us are starting and are going to personalities. They are coming up to stories, talk about how they are hurt. They are bringing their pain. I know it is your platform. I know you need to push out what has hurt you. But the fact is, will it make a difference? The difference here is to make sure you concentrate on making money. Yes, this month of May, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are giving opportunities to creators every day, even before. The more valuable and consistent your content becomes, the higher your chances of growing and earning. Don't focus on views alone. Focus on how much are you getting. Avoid wasting too much time on consuming content. What you did, start creating. Yes, start at least to think about posting those videos. Share your journey. Talk about your lifestyle. Talk about your work. Talk about cooking. Talk about fitness. Talk about business. There's daily experiences. Some of you there can learn from. Some can learn from any other person. Also, someone can also learn from you. Remember, Social media is no longer just entertainment. Most of you think, it's just for vibe, just let us. That is a pure lie. For many people, it has become a full-time income stream, business platform, and life-changing opportunity. What you need to do here, you need to stay disciplined. In this month of May, please be disciplined. Learn daily, learn hourly. Every post you see, learn. And whenever you're going to post, ask yourself, is this beneficial? If I post this after 5 years, will it be searched? Will it be recommended? Be consistent even when views are low. Most people wonder how I come every day. Where do I get guts? Where do I get the drive to bring me? But what brings me up? It's not views. It's the money that I earn from the few views that I get. It's the value that I give people out there. Your breakthrough can come from one video. Yes. This May, challenge yourself to use your phone wisely and turn your social media platforms into something productive and profitable. Yes, I know it can happen. You might be there saying, will it happen? It will happen. Me, I was also like that. But now it's a matter of time. The time I'm going to spend on live, maybe exchanging things, I always ask myself, is this beneficial? When it is not beneficial, I leave it. So start small this month of May. In fact, as you watch this video, start. Then be consistent and let your content work for you. Your future audience is waiting for you. Happy new month. Be blessed in this month of May. God bless you all. See you there when we meet.